Hi everyone! We're back again to share with you this easy dinosaur excavation sensory bin that you can do with your own children at home. This will surely cultivate their imagination as they play and learn. Now let's start by putting the kinetic sand in the bin. Then place the dinosaur fossils. Next is to cover the fossils with kinetic sand. As you can see, my kids' busy hands are helping me here. Then let's add some pebbles. And let your children use a magnifying glass, paintbrush, and mini shovel as tools as they explore the sensory bin. Now it's time to play and explore. And of course, as adults, always supervise their playtime. My kids seem to be so engrossed in this activity. They are also learning how to take turns as they play together. To see more of our videos, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!